Okay, so I thought I'd just come on here quickly, just give a little bit of Instagram game, just because I've been on my DMs. Everyone's been asking me, how do I go viral on Instagram? Can I have a little bit of advice on certain things? So I thought I'd make a quick presentation just explaining a few things I know about Instagram, which is going to help you views, going to help you grow, and help you make money when they convert to OnlyFans. So this is your full Instagram guide. Over setting up the account, the profile setup, what is working right now, and then also content creation. So in terms of setting up the account, we've got aged accounts and new accounts. You've probably already got one Instagram at least, but you want to create multiple. You always want multiple accounts. You need to be omnipresent. You need to be everywhere, in every audience, whether you're targeting US, UK, Germany, just everywhere. So you've got aged accounts. These accounts you can buy, they're like £1. They already have trust built into them because they've been on the platform so long. Then you have new accounts, you set them up. Maybe you change the proxies, or you're setting them up on mobile data just so you don't get flagged. If you do, you can make a verification video anyway and get it going. There's actually no right or wrong answer here. You can either set up new accounts or you can just buy aged accounts. Obviously, buying aged accounts just saves you a lot of time though. That's the only difference. Either way, it doesn't make any difference. You will grow the exact same. Me personally, for any of the clients I work with, I always like buying aged accounts. But if they've got the time, new accounts is fine as well. Now, just like TikTok, Instagram works on a trust score. They want to know if the account's real and who's it run by as well. And people don't actually understand that the device you're using actually matters. For example, if you're logging into Instagram and posting from a computer, you're not going to get pushed as much. Your trust score of the account goes down. Instagram find that a little dodgy. Same if you're posting on the iPhone 3 or even the iPhone 5, 7, 8. Instagram don't like that. They want you on the newest device, like the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, or the newest Samsung. This is why it actually is key to have at least an iPhone 11. We've always find the best progress in terms of getting you out there, building the brand quickly. Sometimes it's actually linked to the device you're using. I would always recommend staying to Apple. We always get slightly better results, just a little. And anything above an iPhone 11 is perfect too. If you've got anything before that, just reinvest the money, buy an iPhone 11, about £150 now, and you'll actually see the return on investment very fast. Now, the biggest question I actually get asked in messages is, how do I promote to a US audience, Arden? I'm getting a huge amount of views from India or Eastern Europe, Asia. I don't want that at all. You need to understand the US Instagram algorithm is all based on who you engage with and who engages with you, and your location as well. What this means is the only people you can engage with are from tier 1 countries. We're using United States as the main country. Everyone you follow, everyone's videos you comment on, like, save, needs to be from the US. This is actually the most important thing if you want to get pushed to the US algorithm. Now, whilst you're building that up, when, say, viewers come onto your profile, comment on a picture, or maybe message you, or comment on a video, you can only engage with those from the US as well. So you can check the account, click the account, press the 3 dots in the top right, about account, and you can see the location. It's so key, absolutely vital. You can only engage with those from the US. It's actually that simple. Now, to build the account up from scratch, what I'd actually recommend is driving a US traffic source from a different platform to your IG. So for example, if you've got a little bit of following on Twitter or Reddit especially, use that to promote your Instagram. If it's a fresh account with 0 followers, you need to build up credibility quick. You need to build up trust fast. Get everyone from Reddit to go follow this page. Build in 300 to 1,000 followers just so the page looks legit, and that should be good. If you're using a platform like Reddit, obviously 80% of Redditors are from the US, so that drives a huge audience anyway, which is only going to help your numbers in terms of getting a US audience. Now, per phone, the max accounts you can have is 5 to 9. I like running 6. I don't really recommend go above that. I know some people say 3. You can actually have up to 10. I just like to keep it between 5 and 9, preferably 6 accounts max. Another thing a lot of creators forget is the marketing rule of 7. They think once a post goes viral, they're just going to get loads of subs. Yes, you might actually get loads of subs, but you have to understand the marketing rule of 7. Viewers have to see you, and this goes across any business, any brand. They need to see your brand, your personal brand, 7 times before they are going to consider buying. So just keep that in mind as well. Now, in terms of profile setup, so you've started a new account, or you've bought an aged account, you need a 7-day warm-up period. What I'd recommend to build in the authenticity of this account, every day for 7 days, just post one picture, a high quality picture, of course, each day, just each day. On day 4, add a bio, add a profile picture as well on day 1. Make it sure it's a good profile picture. And that's just going to keep it warm. Obviously, engage with the explore page. Your explore page will show you what audience bubble you're in. So if it's showing up a lot of e-girls, you're probably in an e-girl niche. If your explore page is showing in a lot of office girls, you're probably in that niche. The best content you make on the account over time, you need to pin. Remember, if someone clicks on your profile, the first 3 pictures they see, or the first 3 videos they see, is your pinned post. These need to be the most high quality, good, most engaged content you have. If it's been engaged with high, that just shows the content was good. Pin these posts. If you've got a video with 20 million views, pin that. If one of your photos got 100,000 likes this time, that means it was good content. Pin it to the top, so when new viewers come onto your page, they see it instantly. They're going to like the content, probably. Setting up the profile as well. I can't tell you the amount of creators that don't add story highlights. Now think of it from the viewer's perspective. They are subbing your OnlyFans, not just for, say, standard videos and photos. They also want to build into you, especially if you're selling the girlfriend experience. They want that trust. They want to build into your brand. They want to build into you and feel a connection. Get some story highlights going. If that's you going out, or you with your friends, or just your day-to-day life, there needs to be something there. If you go on a profile, for any Instagram profile, and you don't see highlights, you're always kind of like, okay, it's 2024, why haven't they got highlights? This reflects with your creators or yourself as well. If you are a creator yourself, it reflects. Add some story highlights. Have one of life, maybe one of outings, one of your niche, and then also one with your CTA, your link. Now, in terms of the profile picture, I know I was speaking about it a minute ago. This needs to be the most captivating profile picture you have of your face. Have a smile in there. Something where people see your profile picture, they're like, whoa, she's cute. Whoa, she's hot. Preferably your face. We always find a higher conversion of people clicking on the account if it's their face and if you're smiling, but it needs to be absolutely perfect. That's another key thing. Don't make it your body. It can get flagged. Don't make it anything crazy or crazy poses. It can get flagged. It needs to be your face just smiling, cute. Or if it plays into your niche better, maybe you're doing like a hey gal. That can work as well. Now, going back to just stories in general, which links to story highlights, you need to post every day. No matter if that's a link, no matter if you're reposting content. Again, as I said, Instagram have a trust score built in. They need to see you're active on your stories. Literally just repost the content you're posting every day. That builds in. If you can post more of your day-to-day life, that's better, because that allows viewers to build into you. Again, building a connection. And then every day you need to post a call to action. You need to post that link on your story every day. Because if a video does go viral, they're going to click on your profile and straight away they're clicking your story. If the OF link's there, they're going to sub, or they're more likely to sub. We've seen conversion go from 2% up to 4%. So doubling your conversion just by doing that daily. And then again, just showing your personality. You need to really build into your personal brand, into you. Viewers want to connect to you. Just show your personality. Don't just be like any OnlyFans girl where they see you and they're just like, oh yeah, she's hot. Actually build something in. Because I tell you, when they sub to your OF and they're already been built into you as a brand, you as a person for a month, they're going to spend money because they care more about you, not just your content. So what is working right now? What a lot of creators come on to when they first start marketing. They're just posting lingerie and sexy content. Niches are where the money is at. You can see on your explore page there's office niches, elevator girls, hallway girls, cosplayers, e-girls, leather girls, dominatrix. The list could go on. You need to figure out what niche is going to do well for you. Also, this could be a trending niche. So, for example, the office niche was trending for the last 6 months. Really take advantage of that if you can. However, if you've got a skill or something you're into yourself and you can play into, so if you've been doing dance for the last 10 years or you've been a cheerleader, you can make your niche that. But niching is where the money is at. Flash trends. Flash trends are doing hugely well. So a flash trend is normally very sexual video and it's a quick pop-up. So you just might be there when the beat drops. You might flash a hot picture of yourself. These are doing super well like they did on TikTok last year. And this is because Instagram are being hugely lenient. Now, why are they being lenient? As I've said before and many times, Instagram and TikTok are at a battle of viewers' attention. So Instagram want all the attention, but TikTok do as well. Because the more people on their platform for longer, the more ads are seen, the more money that company makes. So even if it's going to show, say, more explicit content, but it keeps you on the platform, Instagram are pushing that because they want to win this battle against TikTok. So take advantage of flash trends whilst you can. Every day you need to post a reel. Reels are getting pushed out the most. Do not neglect just posting pictures as well. Pictures are still doing absolutely well. And because a lot of people have put the focus on reels, they're forgetting that their pictures perform well, so you can take advantage. But minimum 1 reel a day. If you can post a picture post twice a week or once a week, that's even perfect. Every reel needs to be high quality. I don't want to see 480p recording. We need 4K, lighting perfect, absolutely sharp, and then also actually good quality reel where people are watching it and the replay time is high, the watch time's high. You can see these in your insights. You can see how many people have initially played it, how many people have replayed it, and what their average watch time is. This is the absolutely biggest indicator if that video is going to go viral. Watch time. As I said, they want you on the platform longer. If you're watching videos multiple times, you're on the platform longer. So that's why watch time's hugely important. Now, in terms of content creation, so as I said, you always need to focus it back onto your niche. Everything in your niche needs to reflect in your videos. You can't be saying ego and then post, I don't know, a gym video and then next you post an office. It needs to always reflect back into your niche. Now, in terms of any content, if it's a picture or specifically a video, it needs to have a strong hook. It needs to stop people scrolling. Remember, the average viewer is scrolling hundreds of videos a day, hundreds of photos a day. There needs to be something in that video or photo that sticks out where they're like, whoa, okay, let me just look at this. Let me watch all of the video. Again, this is what's going to get the eyes to you straight away. Then, of course, you back it up with the rest of the video. Any content you do make, just add a little bit of sexuality. A good video, a good photo with a little hint of sexuality will go mega viral. Absolutely mega viral. So in your content creation, just add a little bit of sexuality, and that also allows them to know potentially you have an OnlyFans, so their mind's already set that way, so that viewer can become a sub easier. Of course, recreate every video that does well. If it goes viral, recreate it, maybe try a little different test. It's proven it's done well, it's probably going to do well again. A lot of creators don't actually review bad content. This is a key mistake. You are a business at the end of the day. You need to see what did bad, how you can improve it, because after time, even 30 days, if you did that every day for 30 days, you're going to be 10 times better than the 30 days before. So review bad content, recreate great content as well. Very key. When you are creating videos and photos and general content, it needs to reflect in the viewer's mind, okay, is she hot enough? Is this good enough content where they're like, I want to see more? What's on her OnlyFans? This is just how you can convert better. So you need to think in ways, is it playing with the viewer's mind, the psychology, where they want to see more, where they want you more, they desire you more? And then if you haven't got time to make hundreds of videos a day or tens of videos a day or batch work all in a day, You can reuse videos just with a new hook, a new text. So you can have general content. Maybe you're standing up, walking around, sitting down, posing, and then just changing the hook every time. So this is just a quick roundup of our full Instagram guide. I hope this has helped. Please implement everything in this video, because I know in 30 days time, if you do, you're going to double your results. If you have any other questions, go to my Telegram or message me on Insta. I'm very, very open to helping with whatever platform, if that's Instagram, Reddit, Twitter, FetLife, anything, or if you need help with OnlyFans, look, you can ask me anything. I'll give you an answer to the best of my ability.